Hello everyone and welcome back to Codeflix. So a few days ago I bought a new mic, and so let's hope that there is better sound quality now in my videos. I'm trying to make my videos better and better, and I'm trying to remove any glitches if I find any. So let's hope that there are a few better audio quality videos now. So in this particular video we'll be making a clone of the Instagram page. So this is the Instagram clone which I have created using AMP. So if we refresh, yeah, this is the Instagram clone page which we will create using AMP. So this looks just as it is the Instagram. You're scrolling an Instagram. Let me remove this. So this looks a bit awkward. It looks very large, but usually Instagram we use it in mobile version. So in the responsive version it looks cool. So we'll be making something like this in this video. So what I have done is there is a page called AMP Playground, and it already provides us the code for the Instagram page. So I just took this whole, I copied it and I pasted in my editor, named it instagram.html, which is obviously this page which I was showing you, instagram.html. But if you can see, the posts which are here and the posts which are on my page, those are different. So I'll show you how to change the posts to your custom posts. So when you go into the code, you don't have to do anything. You just have to find this data short code, which is this. You just have to find this thing. If you want to adjust the height, width, you can. Like they have adjusted the height, width, everything for the captions, for the images that are not square, that also you can do. So for now let's focus on the short code. So just focus on the data short code. Now go to your Instagram. This is my page, codeflix underscore. If you search codeflix you'll find it. And if you want to put any posts, let's say that you want to put the most trending post or the most trending video, so open that. Now if you see on the address bar there is a short code after P. Just copy it and just paste it on the first one. Yeah, that's it. Now go to the instagram.html page, refresh it, and see access webcam html and js, access webcam html and js. Let's try for another video. Let's say we are done with the videos of our channel. We want to put a code. Just copy it from here and go to the code. Like, see, the second post is show directions on Google Map. Go here, find the short code for the second page, paste it here, save it, just refresh it there. What you see is a code. So we can see the number of likes. We cannot see in the native version of Instagram now, the likes are gone, but here we can see the likes. We can see the buttons are working, like view profile button. It will take us to the Codeflix page. So that's how this is working. View more on Instagram will take us to Instagram. And yeah, we can comment from here, but it will take us to the Instagram. We cannot directly comment, it will take us to the Instagram. For everything it will take us to the Instagram. But as we said, we can clone the whole Instagram page here, and yeah, we can display whatever we want, whichever posts we want. Yeah, we can. And if you want to improve this more, just put this thing, put the shortcode in the database. You don't have to repeatedly go and copy paste the code. Just put this shortcode in the database and run a loop over this tag. This Over this tag, just run a loop 10 times and 10 posts will be displayed here. You can do that. And these are a few things which are provided by AMP. If you want to play with it, you are good to go. Otherwise, this is the Instagram clone which is ready for us. So I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe to my channel Codeflix, and I'll keep posting more of these videos. So hope it helps, and thanks for watching.